Chapter 8 Percentages. We have learned that a percentage is a fraction with 100 as the denominator. Now I'm going to show you the conversion between percentages and fractions. In the first example, 12%. The percentage sign can be converted into a denominator of 100. And let's simplify the fraction divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 becomes 3, and 100 divided by 4 becomes 25. And that's the answer. In the second example, 350%. The percentage sign here becomes the denominator of 100. And let's simplify the fraction divided by 50. 350 divided by 50 is 7, and 100 divided by 50 is 2, and that's the answer. Now we are going to change a fraction back to a percentage. For some fractions, it's easy to convert them into fractions with denominator 100. Here is the example, 3/10. The key is to make the denominator back to 100, which is 10 times 10. For some fractions which cannot be easily converted into fractions with denominator 100, we can convert them into percentage by multiplying 100%. For example, 7/80. It's hard to convert 80 into 100. So we multiply by the fraction by 100%. 100 times 7/80. Simplify the fraction. And use a calculator. 35 divided by 4 is 8.75%. The second example, this is a mixed fraction. We have to convert the mixed fraction to a fourth fraction first. After we convert the fraction into 29/20, we multiply it by 100%. Then we do the calculation. The last conversion is to convert a percentage into a decimal place. We can remove the percentage sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. This is the example. This is the fraction. We move the decimal place 2 places to the left, and it will be 1.52. Remember, after we convert a percentage into a decimal, we can remove the percentage sign. Here are more examples. We move the percentage sign 2 places to the left, then it will become 2.844. This one, example B, move 2 places to the left, then it makes 0.36. Now we would like to convert a decimal into a percentage. Oppositely, we move the decimal place 2 places to the right and add the percentage sign. For example, 0.855. The decimal is here, and we move 2 places to the right, and it becomes 85.5%. Remember to add the percentage sign. Here is the example. 0.987. We move 2 places to the right, and then it becomes 98.7%. In the second example, move 2 places to the right, and it becomes 308%. Remember, add percentage sign at the end. If we need to do calculations like addition or subtraction involving percentage, we must first change all the numbers into decimals, fractions, or percentages before doing the operation. Either method that's shown below is correct. In this case, we change all the fractions into decimals. In the second case, we change all the numbers into a fraction. In the third case, we change all the numbers into percentage and do the operations. However, if we want to do multiplication or division, we have to change the percentage into decimals or fractions. For example, 14% is 0.14 because we move decimal 2 places to the left and then do the calculation, 0.84. In the second case, we change 48% into a fraction. Remember, if we want to change the division sign into a multiplication, we have to flip the fraction. 100 becomes top, 48 at the bottom. 12, 48, 4, 104, 25. That's why the answer is 25.